In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Revolution slider in WordPress. By the end, you'll have a clean, professional slider added to your page using the built-in tools WordPress already provides. First, open your WordPress website and sign into your dashboard. From the left-hand menu, go to Plugins. This is where we add new features to your site. Click Add New, then use the search bar in the top right to type Revolution Slider or Slider Revolution. When you see the Slider Revolution plugin appear, click Install, and once that finishes, click Activate. Activation makes the plugin available in your admin menu. After activation, look to the left-hand menu again and click Slider Revolution. This opens the plugin's main workspace. To create your first slider, choose New Blank Module. A module here simply means a slider canvas you can design. Give your slider a clear name so you can find it later. Pick a layout size that matches your page design and add one or more slides. You can drop in images, headlines, buttons, and adjust the timing to control how each element appears. Keep it simple at first. Clean layouts and consistent fonts make a big difference. Save your work as you go so nothing is lost. Now it's time to place your slider on a page. Go to Pages in the WordPress menu and find the page where you want the slider to appear. Click Edit to open the page editor. Inside the editor, click the plus icon to add a new block. In the block search, type Slider Revolution. Select the Slider Revolution block to insert it into your page. A drop-down or selector will appear. Choose the slider you just created by its name. This links your page to that module, so any changes you make in Slider Revolution will reflect here. With the slider inserted, click Preview at the top right to see how it looks on the front end. Check spacing, text readability, and image cropping. If something feels off, return to Slider Revolution to tweak your module, then preview again until it fits your design. For a better experience across devices, glance at the responsive options inside Slider Revolution so your slider looks good on desktop, tablet, and mobile. That's it. Your slider is installed, created, added to a page, and previewed. Follow these steps each time you want a new slider and you'll build consistent, engaging visuals across your site with confidence.